Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into something that can help you turn your passion into profits. That is how to sell on Wix. If you ever thought about creating your online store or are looking for an easy to use platform, Wix could be the perfect solution. Now, I want you to go to the Wix website, and from there just sign up for a free account. You can use your Google, your Facebook, or even your personal or business email. Once you have created your account, just go to the Get Started option wherein we are going to set up our store. By clicking this button, now we just have to select the template that you might wanna like or that best represents your brand, business, store, or identity. So there's a lot that you can choose from. Now I'm gonna be choosing this one, and if you wanted to test waters before you dive into this specific template, just click on the view option because you can notice the mobile responsiveness if you hover to the mobile section. If it's like intuitive for you and for your future customers and clients, you can also revert back to the desktop option. And if you think this is going to be the store for you that could sell you your products, click on the edit this site. And what will happen is you would be forwarded to the Wix editor and you can build and customize your store in no time. Just wait for it to load. Once you have done that, as you can see, Wix added a default kind of store page with a shopping cart, checkout system, and product catalog that you can customize. In this section, we can, of course, put in something like a description for your site. You don't have to worry because if you don't have something in mind, you might want to put in the description here. This is going to be selling. Generate site text to see what can we have from this handy feature from Wix. Wait for it and boom, there it is. Now on the left side, you can add more elements as you go along. You can add section like discount, pages, and menu. But what I'm going to do right now is hover to the product store. Now we are going to create our first custom product for us to be able to sell physical or digital products. Click on the new product here. You have two options. You can, of course, sell physical products and sell digital file. Well, we're going to do both. We're going to choose the physical product for now. All right. You can add images if you want. Of course, we're going to do that by clicking on this button, and we will be forwarded to the site files. Click on it. If you don't, just click on upload media. You can use the Wix account, your computer, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, and a lot more. But I'm going to use my computer for now. And then after putting up an image for the physical product, let me add that to the page. You can put in the product name. For example, you can put in the description. You can be creative in doing so. You can put in a link. Now, in this part, you can add an info section. For example, we're going to put this. Click on OK. You can put in a custom field if you wanted, or a mandatory field. That's all up to you. You can add product options. You can just come in different options like variants, sizes, color, or material. If you have that, put it in. If you don't, just leave it alone. You can track the inventory and the status right here. Inventory is very important. Remember that. Now, if you wanted to create a subscription, you can do it. We can do that as well. We have a separate video on how to create subscriptions here on Wix that you might want to check in our channel. But for now, let's leave it as that. Click on save. Price is going to be that. Click on save. That is for our physical product. All right. Now here, I'm going to create another new product, and this one it's going to be digital file, so you can see both on how to sell on Wix. I'm going to upload a file. You have 4 options: image, audio file, document, and zip file. I'm going to click on image. I'm going to use these site files. If you don't have upload a media, again, these are going to be your options, right? Wait for it to load, and once you've done that, add the image to the product. Now, the name is going to be something like this. Maybe this is what we are going to sell. I'm just giving an options. The price is going to be something like this. We have a separate video on how to create discounts, by the way, here on Cheap Laughs channel that you might want to check. I'm going to click on save. Now, after creating your products, this is very important because all you have to do, if you want to turn followers into customers with a link bio, you can do that as well. All right. You can install Hump, but we're going to do that in a separate video. But what I wanted you to do is go to the getting paid option, because this is where you can add a payment method or connect payment method, because you want to start accepting payments, right? So click on this button right here. If you want to see more options, you might want to do so right here. Now, if you want to connect payment method, all I have to do is click on this option. Or if you haven't connected the payment method, click the add payment method on this yellow box here. Let's do that. Now, this step is very important. You have all of these options. You can use credit or debit cards, buy now, pay later, and more with Wix. You can put in PayPal, manual payments wherein you are accepted to get cash or check or other custom forms of payment. If you hover down below, there's going to be an option that says see more payment options. You have Square, Afterpay, Affirm, and a lot more. And hover down below, you also have the option for the third-party credit or debit card providers. If you click that, you have a Stripe, Braintree, Bankful, and Authorize.net. All I have to do is simply connect any form of payment that you wanted and just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done all of this, I want you to hover to your Wix editor. Now here, you might want to add an element, for example, a pop-up, like a button right here. Like, say, this is going to be something like sale. You can put in a sale or a flashy markdown sale. For example, 50% or 69% sale. All right, you can put that. We have a separate video on how to run a sale here on our channel that you might want to check out. But if you're curious, you see there are a lot of things that you can put to your store to run a sale. Because selling on Wix is a comprehensive and flexible process that caters to both product-based and service-based business. With its user-friendly tools and built-in marketing features, you can easily create, manage, and promote your online store. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.